In this video, we are going to download Eclipse IDE. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now just below the video, you will get a link to download Eclipse IDE. So just paste that link in your browser and hit enter. Well, you will land on this page. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find Eclipse IDE for C++ developers. Just open it. So here you will find a download link for your Windows operating system. Let's click on it. And finally click on download. So yes, the download has started. Depending on your internet bandwidth, it might take some time. So once your download is over, move to the next video to complete the installation process.